gently on this earth and let no trace of you be left behind. Take nothing but a memory, give everything that you can give. Walk softly on this ground, let it remain. Sometimes outside you may just feel afraid of the things you cannot see or understand. It's by learning and by doing that you know that the tools to conquer fear are in your hands. Walk softly on this ground, you are a visitor. Walk gently on this earth and let no trace of you be left behind. Take nothing